When God says he was light, he was not saying he was the negation of darkness. He was sharing his nature, that his nature is sound in movement. So when we're filled with the power of the Holy Spirit, God is giving us a sound, the same sound that the universe acknowledges. There's a verse in the book of Psalms that gets me in trouble every time I read it. God says, I honor my word above my name. Because sometimes we're so busy worrying about his name that God says, you fail to see my word. These are words from the word. But this cannot be the summation of the Logos. All things were created by his word. And God says, I'll honor my word even above my name, so that even those who don't know my name still have to come into contact with my word.